Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 19th day of March 2026. And it was pretty raucous today. So we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. We had a 1,000 tick move long um, in 15 minutes. So yeah, huge push to the top side. So we just wait for it to wear out, and then we get the first strong candle, as we see here by the strong candle indicator. This candle is 18 times stronger than the previous candle, and then we just take this short for as much as we can get. Now you see that according to the PVI, I expect the next candle to be somewhere around 300 ticks long. Now, for purposes of YouTube, we can only use an ATM of up to 50, 20 and 50s and 100. So that's what we're going to do. And this is how everything went down in the live trading room today. And as soon as we get boom, okay. First thing we need to do is move our stop where it belongs. But we'll just once our first target's taken out, we will then de-risk the trade to 20s. All right, so see how the stop came down? Now we're at a break-even position. If it comes back and takes us out, well, 20s, 50s are out, and it's not going to take long to get to the 100 tick target. If this does come back and take us out now, we will have made, let's see, 40 plus 50, 90 ticks, and we get minus 18. So we're still 70 some ticks ahead, even if we come back and get taken out. And then I can determine whether I want to get back into this trade again. So that's why we break the trades off, the risk off relatively easily. All right, great. So that 100 tick target was taken out. That trade took less than a minute to complete and is worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in 1 minute, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We have all kinds of education and in the live trading room. So we look forward to seeing you then. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.